teaching psychology and neuroscience this summer. We'll first start by looking at the human brain, which is the most fascinating and complex organ in the human body. We'll start by looking at the biochemistry of individual cells through some fun games and crafts. Then we'll zoom out and take a look at the different lobes and structures within the brain. Students will then get to dissect their own sheep brains to get some hands-on experience.
Hi, I'm Sienna Benvenuti, and I'm so excited to be teaching here at St. Francis this summer. Moving on to the psychology section of this course, students will learn about experiments, theories, and studies that led to the creation of the field of psychology. They will then get to study psychological disorders and make presentations about them for their classmates, as well as play fun mind games.
Hey guys, I'm Nayeli Kojima, and I'm the CIO of Echelon Catapult. We teach free courses online year-round and provide in-person opportunities during the summer. If you want to find out more about us, visit our website at echeloncatapult.org.